Let's go. Let's train a machine learning model which works on a small dataset with high enough accuracy using quantum computing. So we are using Python. We are using Python, Qiskit, Pandas, TextFeatures, and Xgboost. So first step is we have to find an appropriate package and language to choose from. In this case, I am using Python language with Qiskit, Pandas, TextFeatures, and Xgboost package. So I am running the code now in my local. So basically, it trains the dataset on small and large samples both with high enough accuracy for text and image dataset and tabular dataset. So as you can see, model score is high enough. In case of samples less than 100, model is Qiskit machine learning model based classifier BQC. Xgboost is giving high enough accuracy for large sample of dataset. And then, so the step two is we have to first focus on the type of the dataset to choose from. First is tabular dataset, second is text dataset, and last but not least, the image or audio or video dataset. You can take it to the next level by considering all different permutations and combinations of different types of datasets. In other words, multimodal dataset. Step 3, we have to first consider tabular dataset. In this case, suppose the sample size is less than 100, then we can use quantum computing to get high enough accurate model. In other case, if the sample size is high enough greater than 100, then we can use Xgboost model which uses gradient boosting concepts. Then step 4 is now consider the same algorithm on text dataset. The question is how to consider it. You can get text features which are numerical nature by storing in Pandas data frame, then converting the data frame into same format of step 3, tabular data. Step 5. We have to consider only one versus other models for all use cases for a particular single model. So I have attached a link for your reference also. I am showing the demo once again. So here you can see model score is 8.85, which is high enough for quantum computing based model for sample size less than 100, which is tested on iris small dataset. And I have considered the target column species and the label to predict the Shetosha. And then I run the same algorithm on XGBoost when sample size is more than 100. I have considered the text dataset also. In that case, I am converting text feature first converting dataset into pandas data frame. Then on the text text column, I am getting the text features. Then running the same algorithm. So this is it. So fellow viewers, I am attaching the homework for your purpose. So you can try the homework version. I have tried for text and tabular dataset. You can do the same for analysis for image dataset, and you can generate. Second point is you can predict for all labels. I have considered only one label versus other label. You can try it by averaging out the prediction of all of one versus based models. Third point is you can try to create functions and replicate the same for regression models. Final idea you can try to consider for multimodal dataset.